Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I just want to show off a few things that I've been working on this past week. Most of it has just been the ugly bunny, and you guys have seen that, but I wanted to show you the finished ones, and I had to do two more of the one wolf dog bunny. Let me see what it's called. The Classic Crochet Bunny and Easter Favorite. And I did use a K hook, but it's called the Floppy Ear Bunny. So I'm so excited because I do believe I'm finished making these now. Oh, and I think I said a K hook, and I used a K hook for that. But this is one that I've already showed you guys. And let's see. And then I think I showed you, oh, this one right here. Showed that one right there. And there's the little blue one. There's the teal. And let's see. Let me put these right here. This is the newest one that I've finished. It's blue and purple and like a lime green color. And then this one right here, I ran out of yarn for this, and so I still had some of this left over, so I went ahead and just kind of finished it off with that and kind of made it kind of scrappy looking. So I'm real happy with this one as well. And then I made some little carrots to go with them. Just different hook sizes, all that is. The Ugly Bunny. I will leave a link below for the YouTube tutorial. It is best to write this down because the tutorial, she does talk a little fast. So you may have to rewind it a little bit and jot down. So, okay, so the yarn that, oh, that's for the Ugly Bunny. I'm not even there yet. Sorry, guys. So this one for the bunny is, like I said, it's the number one, dogwoof.com. And you'll find the bunny, the classic bunny there. So the yarn that I used for, let's see, this one here is for the baby blue one that I showed you. And it's Burnett baby blanket yarn. I think it's about $7.47 at Walmart. Michael's, I believe they had it on sale for $7.50 as well for that price. And this one is called Lovely Blue. So that's one of them. And for the teal, this is all I had left of the teal. I believe it was this one right here. It is called Baby Blue Green. And it's Burnett baby blanket as well. And then this is what I had left of the one that had like the dark purple and stuff in it. And it's Burnett baby as well. And it's, what color is this one? Ocean Shades. So there's the three colors that I use for mine. Okay, so I guess I'll move on, make this quick. I did forget that I wanted to show you this, guys. When I did my big Hobie yarn haul yesterday, I forgot to show you. They gave me, put this in there, these two shawl pins. So I thought that was pretty cool. When I went to empty the bag completely so I could throw it away, I found a little piece of candy, and then I found this. Okay, so these right here, I'll leave the link below, but I believe it was like Haley Berry or Haley something berry. Or so. Anyway, I'll leave the link below of this. I did write it down, but I don't have it in here with me. But it was very simple to make. It was just a tutorial, and I just wrote the instructions, and I just used different hook sizes is all. Same yarn. Okay, my Ugly Bunnies. Like I said, on the Ugly Bunny, when you watch the tutorial, she does talk a little fast, and so you have to kind of write it down and maybe rewind a little bit and write it down. It's not that bad to do. The other tip that I've got on this is when you're working the legs, you do want them to both kind of go in. And she will say, when you get to this point, she will say do 8 single crochets, which will put you'll be over here, and it will kind of, or you'll be over here in the back, and it will kind of put you like around here. And then you just cross over where the opening is, and then do 4 more. And then you just continue working around. I can't remember, but I know when I wrote my instructions down from what she said, I was a little confused. So it may not have been confusing when she did it. I don't remember because I didn't go back and watch. But that's how you do that. Now when you get to this side, it will tell you to go to the back side and start on the 6th stitch. And so what I do is where this was sewed around, I went 6 that way backwards. So I just counted 6 backwards, and I crocheted 1 into that 6th stitch, okay? And then I crossed over and connected it and did 12 all the way around. So I had to make sure that when I did that 1 that I counted backwards 11. Yeah, so if I did the 1, I counted backwards to the 11th stitch because, you know, that was already a stitch. So I counted backwards, and then I just crossed over and did 11, finished doing 11, and then I started working in the round from there. So it was very simple, and both my legs kind of go in. So that was to me, the only little confusing part. You know, I'm not even sure if I'm doing this exactly the way she did it, but I made it work. And I did every one of them this way, and they all turned out good. So that's the way I wrote it. And if you go to make these, because they are adorable, you can rewatch what I just said and just, you know, do it as I've just explained it, and it'll be very easy. The first time is always like, oh, what is she doing? But once you just do it, then you'll be like me. You'll be making tons of these. Look at this, guys. I have tons of these. There we go. Only 2 more. So, and that's it. So that's how many ugly bunnies I made. These are adorable. They, you know, you think, oh, well, they're small, they won't take long, but they do take a little bit of time. I'm not going to lie. They do take a little bit of time. So I'm glad to have them done. It was a lot of fun, but I do feel like it consumed me for an entire week. These bunnies, no problem. I made these from 7 in the morning till about noon. I made 2 of them. They were that easy. So these are a lot faster than these right here are. And I'm wondering if it's because these are a 3, I think I used a 3.0 hook. Yeah, this is a D hook. And I think it may be that it's just single crochet. You're just going round and round and round. And maybe that's what takes so much time, more than what you think, because of that. But anyway, so yeah. So that's all that I have for this video, and hope you like the bunnies and the ugly bunnies. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.